Once upon a time, in a country far, far away, three gentlemen wanted to help companies to calculate their products in a much better way.
Cut! Come on, man! Some more energy, please.
In 1990, I learned about the madness. I want to change the world.
Stop! Are you insane? What are you thinking? Can you please be just you?
Dear friends, thank you. Thank you for joining this conference.
Yes, now we're talking.
This year, the theme for CT Experience is Make a Difference. Why? Because we all make a difference, and we are indeed together on a fantastic journey. It all started 30 years ago in Sweden with me, my friend Göran, and his father Sune. Me and Göran were fresh programmers from the university. Sune did understand the problem, the pain companies did have to calculate proper offerings and to visualize those. It was a shock to me when I learned and realized how much waste that was generated during the process selling complex products like office furniture, shelving, conveyors, kitchens, in-vehicle interior, pallet racking, machine fencing, milking parlors, and walls. The waste came in the form of time, travel, phone calls, misunderstandings, inaccurate orders, lost business, unhappy customers, endless bottlenecks, and frustration among many people. You can see the madness in front of you. You recognize the pain. Our key selling points were fast and accurate quotations, clean orders, pictures, increased revenue, and lower cost. We removed bottlenecks and pain in a way never seen before. In the early days, the trigger for decision makers were saving money and making money. However, today, waste is also tightly connected to our environmental responsibility. Design mistakes mean cutting down more trees, more ships on the oceans, more mining, and more landfill. But we have the power to change that story. Removing waste has become an important responsibility for decision makers and us all. We recognize that waste is bad for the environment and ultimately bad for us humans and everything we have around us. So, without knowing it, we started a company 30 years ago in the environmental business. And here we are today, making a difference. We have made an impact. We make it possible for companies, for industries, and for people to have fun, grow our businesses, design fantastic solutions without generating any waste. How cool is that? And we as a community, we do it in our way. The software way, designing amazing spaces. I have never heard about any environmentalist or politician talking about that we need software to reduce waste. But we don't care. We just do our thing. We know we make a difference. I'm so proud being a part of this journey together with you. But we have more to do. Before I continue, I would like to talk about what the software do that is so unique. With a few clicks, we design spaces that are technically complex with ease. The software ensures, with the built-in intelligence, that design is 100% correct, can be produced and can be installed. We use three-dimensional visualization as a common language. We do not need to understand stuff like part numbers and bill of materials. All this technical mumbo-jumbo is hidden inside the computer. We enable individuals, companies and industries to work in totally new ways. For example, live design together with the customer, instant collaboration and fully automated order management. Why is this important? Because moving forward, we need to keep it this way. We are all about real product design, nothing else. We are few clicks and smart automation that make life nice. Nothing else. We shall remember why we are doing this. We are on a journey together and we want to continue our journey together. So, moving forward, I want to challenge us all to extend our view on designing spaces to more than the product perspective. I want us to think functional. Ask yourself the questions: will this design be good for people or animals that will consume the space? How about air, light, sound, safety, energy, recycling, wellness, capacity? All those parameters are important for good design. However, they are complicated and complex and are not really included in what we do. Why not? Because we have not implemented them yet. All those parameters can be calculated. The computer is super good on calculating. We have a software that can calculate. Let's imagine if we can calculate in CT Designer air, sound, light, capacity, safety, energy, recycling, wellness. Imagine doing this instantly at the same time as you design with real product as you do today. This means that design will be even more real product in the future. This is good news for us all. We have one more goal to work for on our horizon. I say that we can reach totally new levels in our service to enabling good design of spaces. I just love to know that I'm involved in this type of ambition. I hope you do as well. Imagine how many people are involved around the world creating content and development within our platform. Today, there are over 1,000 people around the world doing this. Imagine the number of people who productively use that content to design and create spaces in CT Designer every day. There are over 16,000 users around the world. Imagine all the sales activities and conversations that are based on that CT Designer output, and all the customers involved with purchasing decisions and millions of dollars, euros, krona, RMB and yens spent based on the information produced by CT Designer. Imagine the interface between CT Designer and all the other programs to order the necessary materials and schedule the products for production. And the factories themselves, where machines take that data originating in CT Designer and efficiently making it into real product. Imagine how those products are sorted in the warehouse, tagged with information from CT Designer, to be properly organized and loaded and shipped based on the structure that was dictated and tagged in CT Designer. Imagine the conversations with the installation crew reviewing the project information and details from CT Designer, and the workers unloading and organizing the product according to that plan. And the installers assembling the product based on the details, plans and elevations as noted in CT Designer. And then imagine the happy companies moving into their beautiful new offices, and families using their brand new kitchen, or warehouse workers enjoying their new logistics center. All of this is possible because of CT Designer and because of you. Together we are making a difference. Think about how much more efficient this is, how this saves time and money, how it reduces errors, but ultimately how this serves the planet by reducing waste and saving energy. This is the challenge we take on together every day. Finally, CT experience. My heart is warm of memories, friendship. At this conference we meet to share, learn and have fun. We have one goal: to be better. I welcome you. I thank you for making it come true. It is a privilege for me to talk with you about Configura's 30 years of making a difference as the keynote speaker. But you know what? It's not just my story. It is the story of hundreds of employees and partners and thousands of users. And I've asked 3 special friends to share the stories of their Configura journey and what this means to them. You will hear from Göran Rydqvist, Tracy Lanning and Paul Riches. One thing I know for sure, you will meet some new faces during the conference, but also some old ones. The first person I would like you to meet is my dear friend Göran Rydqvist. He has indeed been involved in this journey. He founded this company together with me, and guess what? He does not think like the average person. He can take a complex problem and break it down into simple solutions in software. This is the man who has saved you from countless headaches. Okay? Maybe he has caused just a few. Please welcome Göran Rydqvist.